Yeah, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go out and shoot some cars, man, because that's what I do, you know? We shoot cars. So yeah, let's get to it. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more content coming. Make sure you hit the like button and comment, all right? But yeah, we out here. We're gonna go shoot some cars. This being South Florida, there's plenty of nice cars out here. So if I see anything special, I'll make sure I record it for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, man, it's crazy out here, but you know, we're in the Durango. Of course, we're on track mode, so let's hit it. Man, these old guys, they be getting Corvettes and all of that, and then they be driving mad slow. I'm doing like 60 miles an hour, and these, look, man, look. Come on, man. If I was driving that Corvette right now, I'd be doing like minimum 90, 90. Yeah, you see, he moving in the scat pack over there. Is that even a scat pack? I'm not sure, but let's find out. Get out the way. Yeah, not a scat, you know, but he moving, you know, he moving like me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Talking about. Man, check out this GT500. Sick. Oh, sick. Oh man, it's a nice GT500 right there. Man, look at this Trans Am. That's badass. Nice. They got some jets over here. And right over here is the Drive Pink Stadium. This is where Messi be playing. That's where Messi play right there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, so it's closed, you know, it's closed, but you know, that's where Messi play. Drive Pink Stadium, there it is. Man, so I'm just driving through here. Look at all these nice Corvettes. Old school. Man, look at that G. Some nice G. 5.0 over here, another 5.0 over here. We got a few more muscle cars. I don't know, it seems to me like if you are, man, why would they put a demon badge on that Charger? Trackhawk. I don't know, man. It seems to me like if you're a Mopar person, if you're into Mopars, this is the spot to be. Right, this is the spot. This is where you want to come, right? If you got a Mopar. Yeah, they got a few toys over here. Scat pack. That's nice, man. That's a nice American muscle performance. So if you're in Fort Lauderdale, you're in South Florida, this is the spot for the Mopars. Look at this. If anybody know how to disable the traction control on the Durango, they need to let me know ASAP. I can't do burnouts. I cannot do donuts in this thing. I've tried pressing the traction control button, holding that shit down. Nothing happened. I still can't get it fully disabled. So if you know, let me know. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know. I need to be able to have some fun with this, man. Yeah, it's a 5.7 RT Durango. There you go. Just a little something, you know, nothing special. Just a little something. All right, so I just found this spot where I think I can get into, and we can, hopefully it's open. I don't know if I can get in there. We'll see. What the hell is that? What? All right, so look, I'm gonna try this one more time. We're gonna press and hold. There you go. Off. We're gonna try to do some donuts over here. All right, so we're gonna try to do the donuts. Let's see if it works. Oh shit. Yeah, so that kind of worked. The only downside is that, you know, my car got all dirty. But that was cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again, but this time we're gonna keep the windows closed because, you know, yeah, the whole car got dirty on the inside. So yeah, I'm not too happy about that. All right, we're gonna go in through here. That was fun. Let's get out of here before they call the cops. Yeah, we had to leave before they before the one time shows up. There he is. There he is. Look what I just ran into at the light. Old school Ferrari 360 Modena Spider. Yes, sir. There she goes. I remember always wanting a 360 Modena, and then the F430 came out, and I was like, damn, I want an F430. And now it's like, now I want an SF90. Keep the camera on deck, because you just never know what you're gonna find. You might find a, you know, Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren. Then next thing you know, bam! You just never know. Look, look, look. I told you. You just never know what you're gonna find. You see that back there? What the hell is that? The hell is that? Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure they're enjoying it, man. So, you know, we respect all cars. But, yeah. I just came to Chick-fil-A to get my food. I already got my food. But I'm at the line. But all these cars right here, all these cars are people about to go around to order. And all these cars right here already got their food. Now the problem is, how do all of us that already got the food are supposed to leave? So yeah, even though I already got my food, I'm still stuck here trying to leave. And I've been here for about 5 minutes now. But I mean, shout out to shout out to Chick-fil-A for hiring all these, you know, young kids to, you know, to work out here. But still, they need to get this whole traffic situation over here figured out. Yeah. Been here for about 5 minutes trying to leave, and I can't. Already got my food. Going on, I'm still, this guy just said, fuck it. He said, fuck it. Let me see if I can, man. What? I've been here 10 minutes, already got my food. Still not able to leave. There's a huge line going around. Again, all these people already got their food. We're just trying to leave. We got the food, we want to go. What is going on? That's it for today's video. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button and comment. We have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. Peace out.